हाय, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। चलो अब क्वेश्चन गेट का क्वेश्चन नंबर 31 कर लेते हैं। सो इसके अंदर हमारे पास तीन बॉक्सेस हैं। बॉक्स वन जिसके अंदर टू ब्लैक बॉल्स एंड वाइट बॉल्स हैं। बॉक्स टू के अंदर वन ब्लैक एंड टू वाइट। बॉक्स थ्री के अंदर थ्री ब्लैक एंड थ्री वाइट बॉल्स हैं। हमें ये भी दिया हुआ है कि हर एक बॉक्स की चूजनिंग की प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या है। बॉक्स वन विल बी चूजन विद द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ 1/2, बॉक्स टू विल बी चूजन विद प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ 1/6 एंड सिमिलरली बॉक्स थ्री की जो चूज करने की प्रोबेबिलिटी है वो 1/3 है। हमें फाइंड आउट क्या करना है कि गिवन दैट बॉल ड्रॉन इज वाइट, what is the probability that ball was drawn from the box 2. So this is a question of Bayes theorem. So what Bayes theorem says that probability of A given B can be expressed as probability of B given A into probability of A divided by probability of B. So that's the Bayes theorem, which you all know. So we can use this particular theorem to solve this particular question. So what we have to find here is probability of ball was drawn from the box 2 given the ball was white, right? So this can be written as probability of white ball given the ball is drawn from the box 2 into probability of box 2 divided by probability of white ball given box is 1. Just a second. So this can be given as probability of white. Now let's calculate. We know probability of white ball given box 2. So now we know that the ball is drawn from the box 2. So for probability of white given ball is drawn from box 2 is, we can calculate it from this particular place. And so there are two white balls out of total three balls in the box 2. So probability of taking white ball given box 2 is 2/3, and the probability of box 2 is given here. Box 2 is 1/6. So we know all the terms of the numerator. We have to find the term for the white ball as well. So probability of white ball. This can be used. Total of probability can be used to find the probability of white ball. So it can be expressed as probability of white ball given box two. The ball is chosen from is box 1 into probability of box 1 plus probability of white ball given box 2 into probability of box 2 plus probability of white ball given box 3 into probability of box 3. So this is the total of probability, and with this we can find the probability of white as well. Now we know this term. Let's calculate probability of white ball given box 1. Since the ball is chosen from the box 1 now, so here the probability of choosing white ball is 1/3, and from the this probability of white ball given box 2 is calculated as 2/3 before, and probability of choosing white ball from box 3 is given by 3/6, which can be written as 1/2. Now we know all the terms. So probability of box 1, probability of box 2 and probability of box 3 is given in the question as well. So now we know all the terms. So let's put that into the expression over there. In the expression 1 we will put all the things. So it will be given by 2/3 into 1/6, because the probability of choosing box 2 is 1/6 and probability of white ball given box 2 is 2/3, divided by, we now need to calculate the probability of white. Probability of white is given by this big expression. So in each term we have already calculated. So probability of white ball given box 1, we have calculated it as 1/3. So it is 1/3 into probability of box 1 is given as 1/2, right? So we will 1/2 plus, now probability of white ball given box 2 we have calculated here. It would be 2/3 into probability of box 2 is given by 1/6 plus, and similarly probability of white ball given box 3 is here, which is half. So we can say half into probability of box 3 is 1 by 3. So if we solve this particular expression, we'll get 1 by 4, and so the answer is 0.25. So the answer to the question is 0.25.